Yes, friends. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Sir, in yesterday's mains paper, sir,
Hmm.
sir, in question number 75, when I marked B and D are same, I marked B, it is showing wrong, sir.
No, it's internal no, ma. The
Yes, sir.
same option. It will be given mark. Yes, students, in the construction of ellipse, right? Students.
Yes, sir.
So once again, briefly 2 minutes. I'll briefly go through students. This is an ellipse equation a square plus y square by b square equal 1. Where? And another ellipse, we have this one. Right? One more ellipse, students. Here, please immediately question. Right? And again, once again, mains point of view is ending with proximum. In advanced example, they are taking little other concepts. Right? Today, almost you can solve the previous mains questions, and even I've sent level 1 also problem in the examination. You have to practice some good number of questions. Having good idea and then practicing few questions. So here A is less than B. Students, axis. What are all the axes? All of you, ma? Anybody want me to? What are the axes? Major, minor. Doubt you can ask. Are you clear about axis? What do you mean by axis?
Yes, sir.
Major.
Major axis and minor axis.
Major. All of you, ma? I'm asking all of you. Please respond. There are some students in class. They know what are the axes over here? Major axis. Hello? Minor axis. It is major. It's minor now. Yes. Correct or not? This is major, and this is and that is minor. Okay, students. All of you.
Yes, sir.
If they give suppose one, that's why that location you need to have a clarity. That's the first point, students. Once again, I'm just briefing all the points. These are called the vertices. If I'm taking this one, these 4 points, neither of them about vertices.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Student. Okay. Next point. What about this center? Center is what is the
Origin.
center here?
Origin.
This is yes. This is this. Once again, saying all these points. What about foci? Foci.
Yes, sir.
Equidistant. S1 and S2 are the foci, and here S1 and S2 are the foci. So this is like major, like x-axis, correct? And second, what do you mean by foci? All of you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is directrix. Students, what are the directrix? See, if you take this first and to this one, sir, in class lo na malachena sir. Directrices. Is that fine, students?
Yes, sir.
All of you know, where is the directrix for which line, whichever the color I used in this diagram, these are the directrices.
Yes,
Is that fine, students? What is the directrix? X
Plus or minus
minus
Plus
for
or minus.
second ellipse,
Plus or minus.
directrices are plus points, because these basics, if you understand, then solving is easy. If you're not understanding, it's difficult. What is the eccentricity relation for first ellipse, students?
A square into 1.
Second one, what is the
A
eccentricity?
square into.
Understand, ma? This is very, very important for first ellipse. And next,
Yes.
then after that, suppose if I take one ellipse here, what is the argument? So what do you mean by double axis and touches at both ends?
Yes.
Correct? All of you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if I take here, it is h and h, then other one prints x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So in the place of x, I can substitute h. I don't know why, right, students? I can use this relation. Can I use this relation? b by into root of a square minus x square. So this is the double ordinate. Is
Yes.
that okay, students? All of you. Rectum, all of you. Where is that located? Lattice rectum.
Access to the.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is S1 and S2. So what are the equations? Understand, now, students? Suppose if you take this ellipse here,
Plus or minus.
here. Okay. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ got it, students? And x equal to minus c. These are the correct. Students, all of you
Yes, sir.
understanding or not? Okay. Next, focal distance. What is the focal distance formula in parabola? x1 plus a, right? Okay. Okay, now for example, this is the standard ellipse and this is the directrix, right? Equal to minus a by e. This is the focus S1. Understand of ellipse. S1p is nothing but
Yes.
S1p is nothing but E into PM. No, all of you. Suppose if you are taking this focus for calculation, then you need to use this directrix.
Yes.
Got it? All of you, you are using this focus. Got it, all of you?
Yes.
So S1p equal not students?
Yes.
Focal distance is that S1p. So S1p I need means I need PM. It's nothing but if I take something like how to find that XY. No students? Okay. E into what is this OY?
Yes.
Right? A by E, right?
Yes.
Students. What is that OX X1 comma Y1 only, no?
Yes.
Friend, please observe all of you. Please observe. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand what I have written about this, which is A minus EX1, correct?
Yes.
That by using even another definition also, students, focal distance is nothing but what? S to P.
Yes, sir.
What is Pn again? Pn. Pn is same as, okay, don't confuse, like difference I'm just taking LK. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hello?
OL minus
OL
okay.
minus. Okay.
Okay.
What is the OL?
Minus A by E.
Minus A by E. Students, all of you, okay, finding? What is okay? It's an 8 of the point P, right? X1. I'm just taking either I. Okay, if you multiply it now, what we're going to get here? A plus, right? Their length, no, students?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Length, no. Okay, neglect negative, right?
Yes.
Students. Everywhere, what is the focal distance from?
Mod of A plus
Mod of A plus, students, all of you. You will get A and D from ellipse and the X1 is from the point.
yes.
All of you, please remember. Regarding focal distance,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Should be less than mod of A.
why less than?
Space less than eccentric.
Is less than 1. What is the definition? SP by PM value is equal to
Yes, sir.
SP is less than PM, but I'm using this E also, no, here.
Yes.
SP is less than PM, that is correct, but no. Understand, students, regarding focal, they are good, no? At the basics, then questions you can understand. Otherwise, you cannot understand question. It will become a little difficult.
So 1 minute.
Okay. 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 Not done. Any point, even above any point, if you want me to display.
No, so focal distance.
Okay.
Thank
you. Okay. Shall I continue?
Yes.
I think you have idea about parametric equations. This is an ellipse. Suppose you have taken any point P1, you can also take it like
Cos theta.
A cos B sin theta. So then this is called the theta, students, here. Made with a point with the major axis. It's taken as theta, eccentric angle. Remember, students, theta is ellipse, no? Irrespectively, x square plus y square, x square by s square means x equal to a cos theta and y equal to b sin theta. Is that fine, students?
Yes.
Over there, here, what is the theta? Theta, it can be varied, right? It can be varied.
Yes, sir.
So your parameter is theta. Parameter is now basic definition 1 and basic definition 2. Basic definition of ellipse or lambda. Okay. So what is the first basic definition, students? First equal to E. That value is 1. That means SP equal to E into PM. Okay, ma? That means here, where is the S, students? What is S and what is PM? You know what is S?
Focus.
A fixed point. A fixed point. This is Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. If I take this P, which is moving in this direction. Correct or not,
Yes,
all of you? Now, K is the focus and directrix is element. Then what is your definition, students? Sir? Plus Y minus K the whole square equal to, is it right or not, students? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
What is P?
Lx plus M.
Lx plus Y plus N divided by L square Means basic definition only, not new point, but we were writing it. Understand?
Yes.
Another definition over here. What is another definition? This point is moving, students. It is always moving at a, it's moving like PS1 plus PS2 equal to constant length. PS1 and PS2 equal to constant length. It's moving with some, again, this distance plus this distance together, if I add, it is 2a. Yes, distance formula. Just now have written
A plus or minus.
a plus or minus ex1, correct? Or is ex2, a minus ex2, ex1, correct or not, students? If I add both,
2a,
that's what only I'm writing,
Yes,
correct or
sir.
not, students? Point is moving. How it is moving? This moving. How it is moving? Sum of these two distances is fixed. Sum of two, not individual.
Yes.
So that is another definition of PS1 plus PS2 equal to 2a. What is the 2a? Length of major axis A. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When their foci is on, not students, their foci is on x-axis. If foci is on
2B.
y-axis, means 2b. 2b. Oops.
Sir.
Last, and this is what for parabola with this ellipse I am discussing at beginning only, students. So please understand. This is equation of
Yes.
Now, suppose if I take any point, students, any point, x comma y, any point. This is x and this is y now, students.
Yes, sir.
Please observe, this is very, 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 very important. Okay. Tell me anybody, what is small x here?
A cos theta.
Distance of P, correct or not? All of you observe, students. What is small x? Of P, right? From whole square, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Divided by semi
Yes, sir.
whole square, correct? What is
The P from major axis
distance of P
is the whole square.
major
Whole square divided by
Divided
semi minor,
is the whole square.
correct?
Yes.
Okay, so here I'm asking you to identify this small change. Okay, no? Once again, I'm telling students, it's very, very, this is useful to find any ellipse like this. Okay, students? Hello?
Yes.
This is one line representing major axis, right, students? Here. Representing
Yes.
minor axis, no, students?
So what will be B1x minus
Yes.
minus A1 by
Even perpendicular to each other, right now, students? Hello, all of you. So this is minor now. Yes.
Yes.
Suppose we know their point of intersection. Is what tell me, right now, students? Now, how can we give the answer? Tell me. How can
we take a
B1 B1 minus
plus
A1y? Got it or not? Distance, no ma? Distance means root of.
B1 square.
Root of. Please, all of you, requesting all of you to get this point. Your point is x comma y only. You can take. Right or not, students? Distance from point. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Divided by
Semi
all of you students. Semi whole square plus
A
understand?
plus I
Plus C1
divided by under root of
uh,
B1 square plus B1
C1
square
square the semi
minus
minor axis. So here we are taking minor axis mark. Minor axis is divided by minor axis the whole square. Understand, students? A doubt if I have. First I explained this. This one you know very well from past 3 days. So what is x, what is y? I have just written in terms of distances
Yes.
and length. Right or not? Defining one formula.
Yes.
Written. Friends,
Yes, sir.
First is SP equal to E by one is S1P, S2P, that is from focal distance. Sum of focal distances is a constant. Sum of third definition is very well known point only, but if they give the question differently, how?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, for example, if they give means you can refer table and do it. Okay. And here we need to take a small. You are still copying means please tell me. I'll wait. No problem. See, the next one is student at somewhere. Center maybe at somewhere. Then center is H comma K. So what is this equation? Is the students? My voice clear?
Is equal to
Shift
Now, what is the center here, students? So this center H comma
AE plus H.
plus or minus AE plus H comma
Okay.
comma. What is the foci for normal ellipse?
Plus or minus
Plus or minus A, comma.
E comma 0. Suppose if X coordinate will be added by H and Y coordinate is added by K, like parabola. Like
Yes.
parabola. But distance all remains what? Same only. What is the distance between
2A.
two? Distance between the origin. What happens to students? Only points change. Correct or not? Not
Yes.
length.
Yes.
That point to please have a clarity. So what is the equation of directrix? X equal to normal.
Plus or minus
Plus or
A.
minus A by E. What did students all of you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then what are the equation of
Yes, sir.
lattice rectum? X equal to
Plus or minus A.
E plus E plus length of lattice rectum normally 2b square by length of lattice length 2b square by
Yes,
no.
sir.
Now also same length only, no change. X, Y coordinates added by H. If it is X, students,
Yes.
and even type of ellipses. So then again, what we need to do? Second type equation
will be-
of ellipse H and K. Then students,
Yes.
all of you. Okay. Ellipse. Even I'm taking long
So
time
1
here.
minute, sir.
The basic point only.
Yes, sir.
Can anybody tell all
Sir, A will
characteristics?
4.
What is the
B
A
is 3.
square is 4 and B square is
A
9.
is-
So here A is greater than B.
Sir, A will
B
be
is
4, no,
greater-
sir.
Okay. A square is 16.
B square is 9. Yes,
So for your ellipse
Yes,
is
sir.
like this since its center is at origin.
yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right? So okay, and you got a clarity right now.
Yes.
Before that you should
A square equal to B square into 1 minus A
all
square.
of you students. Can I use this relation?
Yes, sir.
All of you. Then 9 by
16.
9 by 16 is 1 minus E square, which is root E value. I'm talking
Root
about. What is
Seven.
E value now?
7.
Root
7 by
7. So now you got E value, A equation of foci. What are the
Plus or
foci?
minus AE with plus or minus roots.
AE comma.
Yes, sir.
And you can write equation of
Yes,
lattice
sir.
rectum,
Yes.
friends. Equation
Yes,
of
sir.
directrix. Length
Yes,
of
sir.
ends of lattice rectum. Rectum. Equation of directrix. Length of lattice rectum.
Yes, sir.
All these calculations we can make. You
Yes, sir.
yes.
can do that. Suppose if they ask like this, statistics,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
all of you please check now and ask now only. Again, while there again don't find any type of problem. Now only can ask. So these 3, 4,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
all of you please check. Can you second?
For third one,
Second, it's 0, comma.
Second one, center 0,
3.
0. Third one, 2 comma formula for okay. It's of which
Plus
model?
or minus
It is of
H.
P is greater.
A.
greater
B greater.
so that means
Yes,
second
sir.
model, right? So then what is
H,
the
comma,
foci?
B
Plus
plus
or
or
minus.
minus.
But now please add H and add
Yes, sir. Yes.
then students, allow students. Okay. What is the equation of lattice rectum to this?
Plus or minus.
minus
Now
B.
remember, immediately you need to think that yes, it is this type of ellipse, correct? Then lattice.
Yes.
So
minus
y
plus
equal
or
to plus or minus.
Yes.
That's why I'm adding k. Then students, all of you. What is directrix comes
Equal to plus or minus B plus K.
here, students. Y equal to
Sum
Plus
plus
B by
plus k. Understand, students? Since y no, y got it, all of
Yes,
you.
sir.
Only 4, 5 students. Yes, and Mohan and Sumukha sometimes. I think once or twice Shashank not speaking. Tanish not speaking. Darshan, Kavya, Varsha, Lahita, Sanjan, no. Sanjay is asking and is interacting. And Tarun,
Yes, sir.
you just on because no, from past 1 week, I'm my native. I'm seeing here how they are taking these online classes. I'm seeing in front of someone. They're owning the video on upstairs and they're taking different native ones at my home in AP. That type, that way, if you know, they're not writing any notes. You don't know. Same situation, if few people are there, means this program 100% it's waste time. So please don't do that. Be regular. But I am seeing sixth class, their students are very active. They're writing notes. That also I'm seeing in my active. They're writing notes and after the class immediately they're solving and they're sending the everything they are doing actually. See here, +1, +2 students after. Okay, we can somehow manage it. But for you, it's important now. Please don't do that type of activities. Students are doing same thing like that. I can't adjust. So only I'm sharing. Okay. So please. Yes. Kavya. Kavya. Or Varsha. Varsha. It's what? Like this or like,
A is greater than B, sir.
so which
First
diagram? A and this is B. You are saying that A is bigger than.
Yes, sir.
No. See that. This is first. This is first. This is
Second
second.
one.
This is very good. At least you have that clarity. Okay. If you take second one, okay, foci, and through the foci lattice rectums, and over here.
Yes, sir.
So now these words are the like no calculations. If I ask anything,
0, 0.
0, 1. Here, talking about no.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is the foci mark here? Foci for this ellipse. You remember the formula for this ellipse? X square by a square. What is the foci to this, Varsha? You can refer and tell also, no problem. Today you learn
4
plus or minus AE. No, I'm not asking plus or minus AE, 0 actually. Correct or not? But now, okay. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what are the directrices here?
Yes, sir.
What are that equation? To this ellipse only you can tell. Later you can see.
Plus, minus.
Now plus H. Now fine ma?
Yes.
Why it is plus H? Tell me, because we are not discussing. Very good. Understand, no students? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello? To do. They'll give okay. They'll give directrix. Understand? Okay. E value, H value, K value. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's why you need to have today. I revised yesterday, and what I did yesterday, I'm doing today. So why I'm spending with all these basics, we have to do compulsorily. But by that time, concepts, and they are also not following the actual. These are all the problems. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm moving on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, length of lattice rectum of an ellipse is equal to half of till unless if they don't say particularly, don't think about other cases. You take generates eccentricity. This is the question, students. What's the length of lattice rectum? 2b
Yes,
square
yes,
by
sir.
a, correct? Minor axis.
2.
2b.
There's a root 50.
What is that? Root 3 by 2 is correct. You can cut b and b, no students. You are getting 2b is small a, right, students? Small a, right?
Yes.
Now, what is the relation between eccentricity b square equal to this relation? What is the b square? As it is, what is a square? 4 b square.
Root 3.
Okay. Now, how about next question? Do it. Very simple question. Not
Sir, E is root.
1 by E is 1 by root 3. Sir.
Yeah.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Correct. Yes. Getting students, or you want me to solve anyone? What is the distance between direct rays? Distance between foci into 3. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So therefore, no, 3 is square. 3 is square. A also cancel, no? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Next.
So is the answer?
Yes, sir, it's 10.
Correct. First of all, we have to
Divide by 4.
divide by 400. Then x square
25 plus y square
25 what?
16 equals
1.
to
1. Okay, let us find eccentricity.
So
Let
we
us
don't
find
need this. We
eccentricity.
have we
So
know the
PS1 plus
F1.
PF2 is 2A, no, sir.
What is that F1? What is that F1?
Focus.
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 Okay.
We are searching now and we are finding whether
Yes.
the F1 and F heading. For that, I need E value.
Yes.
Okay. 16 equal to 25 into 1 minus E square. So E square is 9 by 25. E
Yes,
value is 3 by 5 now.
8.
8, which implies 5 into 3 by plus or minus 3 comma right, which is equal to 2. Right or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No? Suppose if they are not foci, you cannot find you are using this second point. Got it?
Yes.
Hello, Fima. So we need to do that F1, F2 are the foci. Next question. How about fourth question?
So will it be 5 by 7?
So no, fourth question. What's your idea, Nikita?
Sir, I took PS1 and PS2.
Okay, so P is what here?
So P, then S1
Very
will be
good.
one of the focus and S2 will be one of the focus. S1 I took this.
Hmm.
And then I calculated PS1 plus PS2
Yes.
will be 2A, no, sir, according to formula.
Students understand, right? P is the point through which it is passing through. Then any point on that, all of you,
Yes, sir.
that is one thing. So from there, PS1 plus PS2 equal to 2A, no? S1, S2, 2AE, right? So above you got A, now you are getting E. Then you can get, that's what answer, right? Then. Okay. Fine, ma, fourth one.
Yes.
All of you
Yes.
students, what they are asking, what kind of ellipse it is? Regular one or second one?
Regular one. A
First
greater
one.
than.
Yes. So now its center is at origin distance. Remember, students, we need a point at a distance. What, ma? Students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
They are asking this theta. That point can be anywhere. See, Have same distance to root 5, root 5,
Yes.
root 5. Is it true? No. Tell me, what is, okay. What is origin O here, students? 0, 0, no? Your idea, tell me.
A cos
A cos theta.
Very good. B sin theta. Okay. Shweta, here what is the value?
root 2
Root
sin.
6. Now, what they have given in question, distance between O
Yes.
to B is root 5. Right, students? So, square root of 6 cos square theta
Sin square.
2.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Aditya, from here how to solve? You need theta. 4 cos square theta plus 2 equal to 5, right?
Yes. So 3 cos square theta. So cos theta is root 3 by. Yes.
Yes.
Third.
Cos square theta is
3
3 by 4, right?
Root 3.
Then cos theta equal to by 2. So we need to take all things, all angles, like where positive. Students, sometimes they are asking what is the sum of all these angles. Otherwise, what is the difference in the examination? Is that fine? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. How about sixth question? This is very straight. Yes or no? P equal to E into P. Hello? Hello? P is x comma y. P is x comma y. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, foci I have given here. Trace the ellipse. Students.
Yes.
Like this. Now, can you find out? You can make it like a combination like this. Students, all of you.
Yes.
Vision on the other side also.
Yes.
Check students once, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Now, can I divide this by 6? By 6. Leave it like this one. That side already 1 is there.
Yes.
Then nothing. Whole square by 1 by 2 plus y minus 2 the whole square by 1 by 3. Students, all characteristics, whatever they ask.
Yes.
Students, really follow. Then I am giving you now one question. Please answer. Axis length 6 and 2 root 6. Axis length 6 and 2 root 6. That is not. Then that axis equation, since I am giving x minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. That means no confusion. Students, no confusion.
Yeah.
Now tell me, which is major,
Major will be
which is
6.
minor?
2a equal to 6.
Axis length you are
Yes, sir.
saying.
Minor axis length.
This is
Length.
minor. So then this axis in your assumption, which
This should
axis?
be major axis.
Now, what is the definition?
Therefore,
Now definition. Minor
distance of P
distance
from
of
minor
P,
axis divided
minor axis,
Divided
correct or
by
not, students?
semi-major axis whole square. Axis
Whole square plus
Or
distance
major
of
the whole
whole
square.
square.
major in the coming exam. Semi minor axis the whole square. Point P x comma y, right? What is the distance of P from minor axis?
Mod of
Minor
3x
axis
plus y
mod
minus divided by root 10.
Hmm.
3 whole square 9.
Semi-major. Semi-major means
3
half
whole
of
square
6.
9.
3.
X minus 3y plus divided by root of whole divided by 6.
Root 2.
Students, you got right? All of you. Now you can write this as 3x 90, correct? Plus x minus 3y plus equal to 1. Is it fine, students? This is your ellipse, right? Now you can find what is its center. Center.
Point of intersection.
Yeah, that's it. point of intersection of 3, like solving of 3x plus 1 square equal, or you can expand squaring, all that you can do. Fine, no students?
Yes, sir.
Please check it. Please check it, all of you. Question is important. Conditions are important.
Yes.
Students, is that fine? You share from around 18 questions. Go through that and you can see, for example, same question in reversely if they ask. How minus 4y plus 2 the whole square divided by plus 3y minus 5 the whole square by, tell me students here, what is the major axis and what is its length? And what is its length?
So
Anybody
major
tell me?
axis will be 4x.
3y minus 5.
Why you are deciding? By
Because
the above
denominator
definition.
has
Yeah. See,
Yes.
this is bigger, no, ma? Allow me, students.
minus.
Semi
Major.
major. If this is major, no, student, this will
Yes,
be
sir.
minor, right, ma? Student, please observe. Then this is minor. Correct? Sorry. This is minor. This is minor means
Above
this
one
is minor. Above one is major. Got it, all of you students? Major, minor, major. Okay. So what is the
4x
major
plus 3y
axis?
minus 5.
3x minus 4y.
Minus 2 plus
What is the length? Here, what we are having? 2.
2a.
See, a. Sorry, a square.
Yes,
A square
a square
is
plus
60. Hmm. Hmm.
4.
The length is
Yes.
8, no?
Sir, won't there be a divided? No, because 16
Divided by
under root of a square
side simplification they have given here, correct?
plus won't
The
be
total
equal to like under root of a square.
point. See, ma, for example, you can take. Is that all we have included or
No,
not?
sir, because we cannot take 90 as the.
Hmm.
We have to first take 10 out of that.
Correct.
From
Correct.
16 also we have to first.
25 outside.
It will become 16 by 5. So semi-major axis. So axis length will become 8 by 5.
One second. Here, the length we have to apply the above definition. Whichever we have done right above, right, ma? The point is correct. Students, this point
Yes.
we need to take, no? See, that is the best example. Is not that right? After using that length, no. So now also what you do, tell me? 3x by root 25, 5 only, right? Whole square, right or not?
Yes. We will get 16 by 25
We are 16 by 20.
plus
Now
4x
balance.
plus 3y minus 25 divided by 39 by 25. So now we will get 4 by 5 and 3 by 5.
Yes. Out of this last today, the last one. No. Okay. Please note down. Wait. Is that okay, friends? Friends, is my voice is okay? Clear? And parameterization how this. Then students, anything you are copying must still, or anything, students, all of you. By here I have written 5, which is distance, no? Root over 9, like 316. Done, students. Even here also 16 plus 9. So because of that, we are writing the 20. Okay, no?
Yeah.
Then 10. Shall I continue?
Yes.
So these are the parametric equations. Please be clear. Auxiliary circuit. What is the auxiliary circuit? This is the names, right? X square plus a square, where a value is greater than b, no?
Yes, sir.
The circle which is taken as diameter, circle which is taken major axis as its ellipse. Center of circle remains same thing. This dotted circle is AC. X square plus y square equal to a square. No?
Yes.
This is for plus y square by b square equal to 1 and where a greater than b. Suppose for the ellipse equal to 1, where a is less than b, then what is the
X
axillary
square plus y
circle?
is equal to b square.
Equal to b. Understand, no, students?
Radius
Once
would
again,
be A. Radius would be AE.
no, this is the center and vertex.
X square plus
A is here. This is the focus you are talking about.
Yes.
Right? What is your axillary circle for this diagram? This one.
Yes, sir. So X square plus y.
Understand, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, for example, I have taken this as an ellipse. This is the axillary circle. Done, students, which makes an angle theta. This is P and it is Q. Can you tell Q in parametric form? Anyone?
P is A cos theta,
Yeah.
Cos theta.
Is
comma
A.
B sin.
A cos theta.
What about Q? Tell me. Q is on
Yes.
circle. What is this circle equation?
Yes.
Students, x square plus y.
And
Ellipse.
it will be X square.
Understand, students?
Yes.
On the ellipse and hyperbola, sorry, ellipse and its axillary circle. All of you.
Yes.
No, that too like a standard result. So you have taken an ellipse and tell you how to do. See, my point is now, what is the equation of the chord?
A cos theta, comma B.
A cos alpha I'm taking and B sin alpha and beta, no, students.
Yes.
That is only different, right? Angle is only different to same ellipse, right? All of you know. All
Yes.
of you. Then what is the equation of PQ? That is what we need.
Y2 minus y1 by x2
Equal to y minus y1 by
minus x.
x
Yes.
minus x. So this is the equation.
Yes.
Please respond. All of you. Now B sin alpha
By x
divided
minus
A
A cos.
as alpha. This my reversal.
Yes.
Using this B common sin beta minus
Sin
sin
alpha
alpha.
divided by
A common cos. All of you.
Yes.
We'll cross multiply and we'll simplify this. Then finally, what is the
Yes.
remember x by a cos x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 y by b sin alpha of alpha minus beta. This one we have to memorize in 2 points whose eccentric angles are given. Whose eccentric angles are given. Then, students?
Yes.
We have to convert that sin c minus sin d. Sin c, we will get this one.
Yes.
Right, students?
Yes.
Okay. Next, just last focal chord. What happened? Pass through
Yes.
one of the foci, right?
alpha plus beta.
Either one plus or minus a by e comma 0, no? Maybe either this one, either other
Yes.
one, no, students? Focal chord, it pass through the foci, no?
Yes.
Then can I substitute this
Yes,
point in the
sir.
place of x and y? Please observe. Become like this, right?
Yes.
Cos alpha minus beta by 2 divided by
Alpha
cos
plus beta by 2 is equal to
1 by e.
E.
Correct? By 1. Sorry. This is one more result, students. We have to mention if they give you. Then how to find eccentricity directly.
Yes.
This is one.
Yes. Sir.
Yes. Follow component at dividend rule. Component at. I think you know all of this component at dividend rule, students. A by b
A plus b
b
by
minus
c
c
minus
by
b plus
equal to c plus d. Now that time apply. What is cos a plus b into cos a minus b?
Yes, sir.
This one, 2.
Sin alpha by 2. Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Is that okay? I change the sign. No, once again, is it minus cos a cos b plus? No. Actually, minus gives plus. Plus gives minus. No.
Yes.
What beta by 2 equal to? plus or minus e plus 1 by plus or
Yes.
minus e minus 1 no students. The focal chord is passing through S, AE comma 0. Then your answer is tan alpha passing through plus means no plus or minus no students,
Sir.
only plus no. Hello,
So E
but
minus
I'm
minus
making
only.
reciprocal, correct or not? Suppose if it is, what's your answer?
minus e minus e minus
Or you can write this as
e plus 1 by
this is another point. Okay, ma, all of you.
Yes.
Anything, any question you require?
No.
So here, this note, whatever I have given at the end, right, today, this little bit.
yes.
Now I posted in your group.
Yes.
From there, I'll tell the numbers. One to 20 from material. Thus, this week entire ellipse you need to close, no? Week only, right?
Yes. Sir.
So 1 to 20, please try to solve today. 1 to 20. And these are my doubts. Like that, you can send Nikita, Shweta, and sometimes Sanjay, Vajra. These students, they are in touch. They're saying, no, not at all. Tejashwini became totally silent nowadays. Following right, Tejashwini, and Jaydeep. Jaydeep, you are online or no? Students, tomorrow, position of a point with respect to line, condition of tangent, that many. So tomorrow, tangent, normal, and that point you're going to do. That is our options. By Thursday, we are completing this week portion. But simultaneously, you need to. Okay, students.
Sir, can you scroll up, sir? The last part.
So you have to do from
1 to 20. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
from CBSE board, they have given some circulars, sir.
Yeah, yeah. I'll see, no. 2 terms they are saying, no.
Yeah.
2 term exams, that's
November or December.
okay. Still lot of
Yeah.
time is there, no. Let us see here what we do know, this type of things. We will frame a common syllabus, right? That part 1 differentiation. As no next 1 or 2 months, all that. Don't worry.
Yes.
Hello? Because no, in other sections plus 2. And even for your class also, whatever plus start connecting any board exam, plus 2 syllabus, I'll ask teachers to give one test that one subject, computers, one subject like that. Okay, no? Weekly, 1 day, 1 subject. Is that fine?
The CBSE or state also?
Both. Weekly, 1 subject, 1 board model exam. Wednesday or Thursday, you can plan. As now, what we are doing, even next week also we have geometry.
Yes.
Plus 2, what is left in maths is probability chapter comes. We will do that, and remaining time like sequence, all those topics, it will be around 1 to 1.5 months. During that time, 4 chapters in last year itself. One is matrices determinant, another is vector 3D. Both 4 chapters easy only. Functions only lengthy. That's what I'm planning to do, but because of geometry, it to solve, right? Concept. There, time taking. Okay. I'll do it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.